This is a 2018 Toyota Avalon, no keys. This is a Smart Key 3 system. All we have to do is go to reset immobilizer and wait 16 minutes for it to do the reset, and then we can add in the one and only fob we're going to be using, which is a reset fob under program keys. Already got the process started. There's our fob down there. It's been reset. It's an original. There's our tester. We're getting pretty close here to being done. The immobilizer light is to the right of the radio knob on the right hand side, top right. So let's see what we got here. Alright, procedure is complete. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go under the escape, and we're going to check the key count. No keys, perfect. We're going to program keys. Yep. Okay, now we're going to touch the fob to the button. And it should hear 2 beeps. There it is. You hear 2, you're good to go. It'll say unsuccessful or successful sometimes, but heard those 2 beeps and now we're good. Hit OK. Check the key count. It'll tell you there's no keys programmed, but watch. Just give it a minute. There we go. See, it turned on. Did you hear the buttons? I'll try and press it. Now if I go back to key count, under Smart Key 3, you'll see that there's 1 fob programmed. See, right there, 1 fob programmed. We need to clear that up and see why that's happening. But it did take. Once you hear those 2 beeps, you're golden. Unplug it. And there it is. All done.